Weifeng Hoda New Material Technology Co., Ltd., has more than 10 years of experience in the medical industry and is committed to the production and export of medical protective equipment. In the 2020 years of epidemic outbreaks, we have deeply felt the importance of medical protective equipment to human health, so we decided to focus on this area and continue to expand our product lines. At first, we mainly produced and sold disposable medical supplies such as non-woven masks. As market demand increased, we gradually expanded our product range to include disposable protective covers, medical surgical packs, medical surgical gowns, medical wound dressings, etc.